Which action camera actually wins in 2025? The DJI Osmo Action 6 or the GoPro Hero 13 Black? Today, I'm cutting through the hype to tell you which one to buy based on how you shoot, not what the spec sheet looks like. I'll walk through design and handling, real-world image quality, stabilization, battery, and audio, and then give you a clear pick depending on whether you vlog, film extreme sports, or edit like a pro. Stick around because the deciding detail is not what you expect. On first glance, both feel built for abuse. The Action 6 is slightly lighter and feels balanced for handheld use, and DJI kept the dual touchscreen setup that vloggers love. It also manages heat surprisingly well, so long shoots are less risky. The Hero 13 keeps the classic GoPro shape and adds a slick magnetic mounting system that is brilliant if you swap mounts mid-shoot. In short, DJI feels like the friendlier pick for handheld travel shooting, while GoPro offers more mounting versatility for helmets, chest rigs, and bikes. Here's where the cameras deviate. DJI's Action 6 uses a large sensor, plus a variable aperture, giving cleaner low light and natural-looking colors straight out of camera. It also shoots high-resolution photos and 4K at 120 frames per second for smooth slow motion. GoPro pushes resolution with up to 5.3K at 60 frames per second and supports 10-bit GP log for creatives who want to grade heavily. If you want to share footage with minimal grading, DJI is easier. If you plan to color grade and crop for cinematic edits, GoPro's extra resolution and log options will pay off. Both systems have excellent stabilization, but they feel different on the road. DJI's Rock Steady and Horizon Steady keep things steady and level for walking, city vlogging, and casual sports. GoPro's Hypersmooth version 6 with Auto Boost reacts a touch faster in extreme scenarios like downhill mountain biking or motocross, producing cleaner results when G-forces spike. Trust me on this one, for most users, DJI's stabilization will be more than enough. For high-speed action pros, GoPro still has the edge. Battery life varies with settings, but DJI's thermal efficiency and power management mean fewer forced shutdowns during long sessions. DJI claims long recording times at standard frame rates under friendly conditions. GoPro ships with a larger enduro-style battery and strong performance, but compatibility and accessory changes matter if you own older GoPros. On audio, DJI gives clean, balanced onboard sound with effective wind reduction. GoPro offers more advanced audio options with a tri-mic array and better support for external wireless microphones, which matters if you record interviews or dialogue. Here's the simple answer. Choose the DJI Osmo Action 6. If you want natural colors, superior low light, intuitive dual screens, and a camera that just works out of the box for travel and vlogging, choose the GoPro Hero 13 Black if you are an extreme sports shooter, a filmmaker who grades footage in post, or you rely on GoPro's accessory ecosystem and modular lenses. On price and value, they both sit close, so pick the camera that fits your workflow, not the one with the flashiest spec. Which feature matters most to you? Variable aperture and low light, or resolution and modular accessories? Drop your pick in the comments, like if this helped, and subscribe so you don't miss next deep dive.